Hello and happy Tech Tip Thursday. Today I come to you with a little bit more about Google Sheets. So I wanted to talk today. We had talked in the past about formatting, conditional formatting, and doing formulas. One other really helpful tool is to use filters. So if you go up to Data and you click Filter Views, you can click Create New Filter View. And that's just going to give you the ability to name this filter view and also to filter. So it gives each of the header rows a little triangle that you can click and pull down, and you can see different values that you can sort by. So I think probably one of the most common things that I use this for is to find blanks. So let's see whose email I'm missing off this fake list of data. So I'm going to come here and I'm going to filter by condition, and I'm going to choose is empty. And then, oh, my toolbar is in the way. Let's try that again. I'm going to filter by condition. I'm going to choose is empty. And I'm going to click start. And that's going to find me this person whose email I don't have. So that can be really useful. I can also turn that filter off. And this is just a filter. No one will see this except for you. So if you're doing this in a spreadsheet that other people have, this might be better than sorting data or otherwise manipulating the data, because this just gives you the data you need and doesn't actually change the source data. So if I come here and I were to do gender, I can also filter by condition and choose the text contains, or it starts with, or is exactly, right? So I'm going to say the text contains male. And I'm going to come down here. And I'm going to click OK. And now, oh, there's a problem with that, right? Because female also contains male. So I should have done the text is exactly. And now I will have just the males if I wanted just that list. Same thing as doing formulas. I would say that these are a little bit easier, maybe because they just make the options all right there for you. So again, birthdays, right? What's important to us? Who is over 18 and under 18, right? So I can filter by condition, is after, date is after, and then I'd have to figure out the date. Not today, but it would be an exact date is after 30. Today minus 18 would be 20. Okay, don't judge me if I've done math wrong. I've obviously made my people older. Oh, I have it after exact date. No, that's right, is after exact date. So maybe my people are kind of young. 90. Let's try that. There we go. We have some people who now come up in this data as people who have birthdays after 1990, okay? So we can filter by the date range. You can even filter by color. This used to be a feature they didn't have, but now you can filter by fill color, and you can sort by color too. So sorting, I should probably talk about that too. So consider this a twofer. You can also come up here and notice when you do a filter, it's the whole thing, right? You always, when you sort data, you want to keep things with other things. So because I have a filter on right now, if I go ahead and I say, okay, I'm going to turn off this filter. I'm going to say none, and that's going to give me all my data back. But let's say that I want to sort by last name, right? So I can come here and sort this A to Z. If you do it this way, it ensures that the data stays together, but you have to do it within that filter, right? Now, the other way that you can sort, and let me undo my filter. So let me turn off my data filter. Let me go to none. Okay. And now I could come here and I can go to data and do sort sheet by column H. And unless I have told it, it's not going to do all those nice things like keep the the tab up top and the data together and all of that. So I really recommend if you're going to filter, if you're going to sort, to do it through filter view. Sorry. Okay, well, I hope this will help you in some viewing of your data and help make your day a little easier. Have a great Thursday. Bye.